Now, your first warn weather forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Tuesday and welcome back. We started the work week out yesterday calm. That pattern did continue into today, but we are going to see a change as early as tomorrow morning. We're still keeping an eye on the end of the week for the potential for some strong to even severe thunderstorms near or even in the area. We're at 48 this afternoon in Rockford, 49 in Rochelle. Temperatures still warming up a little bit out there. 50 in Sterling, 45 in Galena, and then 44 in Monroe. The sunshine is helping boost our temperatures a little bit, at least they have over the last couple of hours, but we did have cloud cover initially in the day that has started to move its way out of the state line though. This is our SkyTrack camera over downtown Rockford that's sponsored by Window World, on top of the Supply Corps building. So you did see cloud cover earlier in the day. That all did decrease out of here over the last couple of hours nicely, so we're left with nothing, but cloud cover is going to work its way back in later into the overnight hours. This is ahead of the snow showers tomorrow morning. So Rockford, Freeport, Janesville, or like the Beloit area, we are going to see those snow showers in the early morning hours. A little bit earlier for Monroe and Galena, thinking about maybe as early as 6, 7, but then that does continue to track a little further south. 8 a.m. around that for Rockford, that'll continue to track further south. So Sterling, Rochelle, and then DeKalb, probably getting to you guys by mid to late morning, somewhere between about 10, 10:30, maybe as late as 11. That does quickly move out of here though. That will lead to a reduction in visibility likely out there. Small accumulations though, we're really talking about maybe ½ an inch or less than that. So this is not going to play a major factor out there tomorrow. Cloud cover does work its way back in. Quickly after that though, into Thursday, that would be our next chance of rain, but the best chance of widespread rain, maybe even some storms, definitely pockets of heavier rain, that will come into play on Friday. If we do see severe weather, that could be as early as the late afternoon, kind of carrying us over into the evening hours as well. That will be ahead of a cold front. So temperatures are going to warm up as that warm front lifts north of the area prior to that. But then with the cold front moving through the area, that's really going to pull in cooler air. That's going to drop our temperatures very fast through the night Friday, and even could see some light snow showers with that low pressure pulling behind that. That'll be into Saturday morning. So we're talking about potential for severe weather Friday night or Friday evening, and then snow showers by Saturday morning. Our next chance after that would be early to midweek next week, kind of highlighting potentially about Tuesday next week. Could be talking about some chances for some more storms. The Storm Prediction Center did decrease this threat a little bit, still includes the 30% chance for the highest potential of severe thunderstorms for areas like Carroll, Whiteside, and then also Lee counties. So they did shift that a little further southwest. Can't completely be ruled out that that trend continues, and they do push that even further southwestward. But I do think the greatest chance is probably going to be just southwest of the area, but we could see some stronger storms still with this as well. So where the jet stream in the low pressure system is located, we're really going to be looking for that triple point. And if the models do shift, they're indifferent a little bit right now, but still showing the potential, kind of including some of our area. And that also kind of correlates with the graphic I just showed. That 15% chance for severe storms does include the entire area that stretches into southern Wisconsin as well. There will be chances of accumulating snow behind us, so northwest of here, that's behind the low on the cold sector. Temperatures will drop tomorrow, but then they are going to rise again for the end of the week. Will be close to normal Thursday, well below normal then into the mid 60s by Friday, a little bit cooler Saturday by that front pulling in the cooler air. And then after that for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we do see temperatures warm back up above normal, even into the 60s again. Potentially that'll be the case by next Monday and Tuesday, but again, we're kind of watching that point in time early next week as well to midweek for the potential for some more storms. 38 tomorrow, 23 will be the low. That's heading into Thursday morning. The potential is there for Friday, so people need to have ways to get alerts. Friday will be the day to watch this week.